careful, folks. Please don't be the cause of situations like this up ahead. This tractor trailer was here already a couple hours ago when I come south. I don't know where the tractor is. The trailer was laid open sideways with all its stuff busted out, and the running gear down in the ditch behind it. Apparently it caught the guardrail, but was there a problem with the driver, or did somebody in a different vehicle cause them to overreact in the process of trying not to hit them when they're locking up the brakes or swerving around or doing something aggressive or just outright uneducated?